怎么穿？
Hi. Hi.
Can you hear me?
How are you today?
我都还是进不去。
Hello. Hi.
Hello.
Can you hear me? 还不行。
可以了。我怎么这么胖啊？
你又是断了吗？Hi guys, nice to have you here in our live stream. I'm Percy.
I'm Jack, sales director for the Middle East market and the African market. Many thanks for you coming to our live stream today. And we, halumm, have more than 20 years experience for supplying demand partition and office space solution. Most people just think about the demand partition just only for the office, but halumm we apply to them to the other field, as like airports, hospital, hotel, apartment, and so on. Today, it's a good chance. We want to show out the showroom, give more information. Let's go. Actually, halumm, we already work in the Middle East more than 15 years ago. 50 years. We get a lot of projects from in the Middle East from government, as like the Saudi Aramco, Kuwait National Oil Petroleum Company, and the MODA, Zayed Education Group in UAE. So also we send the branch office and the showroom in Middle East, as like in Doha and Dubai. We planning to send up to more and more the branch in the worldwide. I hope so. We'll be give a service, surprise service to your future. Okay, today let us start the first part of the lobby. Okay, if you see our logo company name is called halumm. Why we call the halumm? HA is come to Hanover. LUMM is come from aluminum. That's meaning we are come from the Hanover aluminum. We born in the Gelsenkirchen, Germany, manufactured in China. If you see the background wall, you can see many small panel connect with small panel. That's meaning halumm is a big group. And why we want to show this design for our in lobby? We want to tell the clients we are with a very high technology for designer, because if you see the gap between two panels and also the line level, this must be similar and in the very small tolerance, meaning you need a very high technology for designer and machinery. And if you see that, my left hand, you can see our new system. We call the high cube U-port for one person. Also, we have the for 2 person. Also, we have the for 4 person. Actually, this can be gives a very private space when you are in the public area. like the airport, like the hotel lobby, like the shopping mall, also some hospital. Luckily, we already set some clients who buy from our airport and the phone booth from New York University in Abu Dhabi and also the HCT University. If you come to see here, this is our LEED Gold certificate. We got that 2018. That's meaning my building, our office building and showroom building is low energy and eco-friendly. I hope so future, our demand partition system can help you building get more points from LEED. In front of mine, you can see the big mock-up. Actually, this mock-up is a steel construction. This is our halumm, not just only for the interior business. We also have the steel construction. That's why, but this is for all the domestic market. Okay, now Percy will be giving out more information about the halumm company, halumm history, and the halumm the country.
Thanks, Jack. Just now, Jack gives us an initial introduction about halumm. Now, I would like to know more about us. In those words, we listed what halumm do, how we do, and what we achieved. Based on the industry design and process manufacturing, combined with the BIM, ERP, MES, and BOOM system, halumm can realize a full circle service from the designing, manufacturing, packing, transportation, installation to the after service. The full circle service is well integrated with the sources from the material suppliers, a project owner, designing company, construction company, and even the financial institution to establish a halumm prefabricated architecture industry chain. This award is what halumm got. This award reflects the self-development of halumm. Besides the self-development, halumm also contributes our efforts to the development of the whole architecture industry chain. Our products are widely applied in different areas. Now Jack and I will show you one by one.
Okay, thanks, Percy. As you see, you have now, I think you have general information, get the general information for halumm. Now, I want to get you to our product showroom for hospital. Actually, halumm, we already did many projects for hospital in Middle East, in China, in the South of Asia. And at my left hand, if you can see the operating room, we not just supply the demand partition, demand flooring, demand ceiling only. We give the client the full solution, full system. We already did that many projects in China also. Future, if we get more certificates, we can offer you to in the Europe or in Middle East. Okay, now if we stand here, you can see this showroom is for our patient room, clinic room. Actually, this showroom is for our very big project in the China for the Asian Heart Hospital in Wuhan. And as you know, different kinds of hospital with different specification and designer, as like women hospital and kids hospital and another one. So halumm, we can give clients many kinds of designer or the achieved architecture requirement. As like we did a project in the Kuwait for IDH Hospital, Fawania Hospital, Yanbu Center Hospital, under the Riyadh Commission in Saudi. So let us start. Firstly we'll show the first idea for the first designer for the clinic room. If you come inside this room, you can see our demand partition is around this office. The corridor wall is double glass. This is a double glass partition with a good acoustic. If the doctor needs to provide the office, we can put our brand between two double glass. If you come inside, you can check this wall. If in camera, you'll be seeing this thing about this is fabric panel, wooden panel. Actually, that's not. This is our metal panel outside the PVC film. It's keep similar like a fabric surface. Why we do like that? Because the hospital is public area. They have very high requirement for fire rate. Also, if we use this kind of material, we can achieve the fabric surface and the fire rate. And also this material is very easy for the maintenance and clean, because this is very important in the hospital. Okay, now I'm the doctor. Can you come, Percy?
Yes, Dr. Jack.
Okay, so if the patient coming, give me CT or the X-ray the film. Okay, the X-ray machine just on my left side. I just check it very fast and easily. And if you see this, the X-ray machine, it look very simple, look very nice, because they insert the wall. This is totally demandable. Why we use this design for that? Because this equipment, they have very high requirement for future maintenance and repairment. So my wall is demandable. We can use that, repair the future, easy maintenance, easy, fast installation, fast repairment. Okay, then finish this paper. Maybe the doctor need a check. We finish the check, we just come to here, take a wash, then come back when I see it. If you check this full process, the doctor just need to take the stamp less than 10. That's idea can help the doctor save a lot of time and keep him comfortable. Okay, let's go to the next one. Next one, we can go to our second designer. Second designer, if you come to here, you can see similar the material metal panel for the office, for the clinic room, but I want to show you a special design. This is the cabinet. If you see this cabinet, you just consider this is a normal one. You can find it in the market area. Yes, but the special one is at how to fix this cabinet on the wall. The traditional way is use screw fix the cabinet on the wall, but our idea is demandable, can reuse. Backside, our main pillar have a back hole, and also my cabinet is with back hook. So after you finish this wall, just hang it that. If you want to remove that, change another cabinet, just take out, hang another cabinet for you the different requirements. Okay, now we walk to another clinic room. If we walk another clinic room, you will see this seems like a dental. This is we did in the Fawania Hospital dental building. We did more than 20 the clinic room for them. If you come see here, colorful, white color, blue color, wooden color, but all is metal, no painting, no dust, no wood, no formaldehyde. We have a many kinds of designer for can achieve the designer, the client's requirement. Kids can use warm color, women can use pink color, and if the architect needs the wooden color, we can use wooden color. But all material is green, eco-friendly, and very fast installation. Okay, now the cleaning part is done. Percy will be show you out another part for the patient room.
Thanks so much for Jack's introduction about the clinic. Now I will go for the patient room part. Same as our clinic, the patient room is full demountable. Here, I would like to show you one details. Instead of the square corner of the traditional hospital, here we have curved corners. And also in the downskirting, there is curved corner. The curved corner is well designed for safety and for easy cleaning in the hospital systems. Now you can see a very big window here. It is well inserted with our partition wall. I'm standing here, I can see what patient is doing inside through the windows. With the manual blinds, we can keep the privacy for the patient. We have different patient rooms. Now I will show you one by one. Let's go inside. Thanks for our demountable partition systems. All our module here is fully prefabricated and fully demountable. including the concealed equipment belt. The oxygen tubes and the power outlets are well inserted to the wall. This module is easy for remove and reusable, and which is also easy for the maintenance. And would you please look upward? There are many holes in the panels. This hose is not only for decoration, but also for AC system. The strong airflow of the AC coming through this hose to bring a gentle and soft breeze for people. People inside will feel comfortable. Some people may ask, is this wallpaper? Actually, no. It is steel panel covered with PVC surface. And also we have different surface like fabric. The combination of this surface and with the light color and blue color can offer a very comfortable and peaceful space for our patients. Now let's go to another patient room. Here we have much bigger space here. Usually it will use for the private hospital in China. Same as our other patient, we have for patient room, we have the curved corners, we have the insert equipment belt. And due to the demountable partition system, we have the module here. It can be exchanged with each other because it is removable and can be reusable. This is integrated cabinet. It is well connected with our partition wall. It is fixed to our pillars. Those TVs and the cabinet is integrated together to build a space, so you can improve the space utilizations. When we design the independent bathroom for every patient rooms to make convenient for them. Now let's go see another one. First, I would like to open the curtain and light. With the opening of lighting, curtain, and voil, we can have a much bright, and the patient here can enjoy the sunshine. This is the demountable wall. The wall will well integrated with the facilities, like TVs, like the wash basin, and also the folding beds. When you visit your friends, you can have a sleeping here. This room actually is designed for the disabled peoples. The sliding door here and the handles in the toilet make convenient for them and ensure safety during the using. There is one keyword in the hospital system is the fireproof. The metal door combined with metal steel panel can meet the fire request fireproof in the hospital. Jack, would you like to give us introduction for our fourth word?
Yes, actually, thanks to Patsy. Actually, we already checked all different design for the clinic room and also patient room. That's I said before, different kinds of the hospital, they have different kinds of the requirement for the color, design, and even size. We did a lot of time and I have long experience, successful experience for the hospital project. Now, I want to show you another designer for the wardroom. If you come to here, follow me. This wardroom is with a double leaf metal door. It's a metal door, it's not wooden. If you walk inside, you can see this room is a warm wood with warm wooden. Actually, this is not a wooden material. This is not a natural wooden. This is a metal panel outside with the PVC film. It's not a color. This is not just color. It's a light wooden feeling. And also my left hand, if you see that, this is our metal cabinet. Why we delete this material? Because hospitals, they have most important type is the VOC, non-VOC, and formaldehyde. If you use wooden material, you can't guarantee the air, fresh air. That's why we developed this system for the client, also combined with my wall. That means the cabinet is very stronger and stable without any risk for fall down. Okay, another point for this water room. If for the equipment tuber, if you have some problem for the equipment, this one, we just push two bottle, this will open. That will be very easy for the for maintenance and after service and the repairment. And for this part, if you see here, this is our metal panel sliding door with all full the metal material, also metal frame. Will be with the 2-hour fire rate, also moving smoothly and very quiet. Okay, now our hospital, the showroom is done. If you finish, if you have any question, just now is question time. Please tell us.
Okay, so.
Okay, one question is come from our company, our client in the Middle East. He asked, how about the price, cost difference between now the solution for the hospital and the traditionally? Actually, this as many the clients ask about this one. Because if we think about the material cost, yes, our material cost must be higher traditionally. But if you combine with the time cost, because you know how much time we can finish this the big showroom, we just finish just 3 days. How many workers, labor cost you're saving if you use our material? You can't calculate this cost for your total cost, because the material, cost for the projector, not only for the material, then you must consider your engineering people salary, your labor salary. If you combine that, I think our system is much competitive as the traditional one.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, so I think now the question time is finished. So let's go to next part.
Thanks, Jack. When you are traveling, it must be important to get a very comfortable hotel room. Now I would like to check in one hotel room. Here we have an intelligent system. By this system, we can control the lighting, the curtain here, which can control by the smartphone as well. The space is well connected with necessary facilities for hotel, like bathrooms, wash basin, the bed, and the sitting rooms, and the TVs. We have very big TV here. With our prefabrication systems, you can well combine with different surface of the steel panel, such as fabric, lasers, to meet the high requests from different designers and different project owners. Some people may say, in the construction of the traditional hotels, there is breaks, there is pollution, there is dust, and there is noisy, and even the construction time is really long. But with our prefabrication system, you can shorten the construction times. Do you know how many times we finish the wall here? It takes us only 1 day to finish the wall in this space. To meet the basic needs of the fireproof of hotel, we will use the steel panel, the metal frame door, the metal frame in the door, and the steel door as well to meet 2-hour fireproof. Halumm focuses on every details, such as the invisible screw design here. And we had done some projects for hotel in India, Radisson Blue. Now let's check out. Apart from our wall partition system, we also have wall cladding. Jack, would you please share more information with us?
Thanks, Bessie. Yes, of course. And now I want to show you another part of the material. This is also for the public. You know, this is we call the wall cladding. This is the glass wall cladding. If you see this height is full height the glass wall cladding, 3.5 meter height, and the maximum height we can reach to the 9 meter, and it's crazy height. If you see there, it's invisible frame, also is mirror glass. I want to show you how to we fix this out the wall cladding to with the concrete wall. Actually, use this out the main frame. This is the main frame with the private hole. If you take this hole, the size and distance must be less than 0.5 millimeter difference. So we need a very high technology machinery for that. If you see the downside, this is adjust feet. Adjust feet can help us to accept to the big tolerance from your flooring level and the ceiling level. And if you come see here, how do we fix all the glass paneling with the frame? Here, if you see, have the hook already fixed with our aluminum frame. After you get the material for the frame, finish the installation frame, just hang it back. Easy installation and easy to maintenance and fast time for you the installation. And also we have the different kinds of material for the wall cladding. If you see, this is a stainless steel surface. And also we have the powder coating, the metal panel. And also we can use the natural wood. Also we can use the acoustic panel. Even just the guarantee the thickness is the 12 or 18 millimeter. Okay, now we go to next.
Jack, after you're retired, where would you go?
I will go to nursing home.
Good idea. I think nursing home is really a perfect choice for the elder people. Here we have a nursing home, which we call elder-friendly unit. Now let's go inside.
Okay.
In this unit, we have 56 square meters, including the sitting room, the kitchen, dining house, bedroom, and the toilet. The designer combined the light colors to create a comfortable space for the elder peoples. Jack, how do you feel?
Yes, that's good. That's a good chair. That is amazing. I like that.
Thanks for your like. Actually, you know, when our designer designed this room, it is designed for the elder people. So the furniture here and all the furniture and bedroom is same as the economic needs, and even the height is meets the peoples who are in the wheelchairs. Now let's go see the kitchen. And here it is a sliding door without any floor tracks. So when you in the wheelchair, it is easy for you to go inside. Jack, do you need the water?
Yes, thank you so much.
You're welcome. This window is well connected with the kitchen and with the dining room. I'm standing here. Without moving outside, I can deliver the dishes and water to Jack to the dining room. Now let's go see the bedroom. Oh, we have a very big window here. The elder people will enjoy the sunshine and brightness, which is very healthy for them. This bed we are designed to have two heights, 45 and 50, to meet the different height of people in the wheelchair. Of course, we will have a very good design for the bathroom to meet the convenience for the elder people, such as handles and the height of the wash basin and even the toilet. And also, the floor is anti-slippery. All the floors in this unit is flat. There is no raising steps. It will make convenience for the wheels. I do think people here, the elderly people, they can enjoy a comfortable and leisure retired times. Jack, how do you think about this?
Yeah, if I have the kind of this apartment, I will be very happy with my retail time. I'm looking forward I have that. Okay, thank you, Percy. Now we go to another part. If you see, this is our another work landing. And if you see this beautiful service, and for like a wooden carpentering job, but this is our mass also is metal. Yes, your guess right. It's also the metal. Outside is pattern. And I would like to want to show you this is the filet cabinet door. If you close that, look simple, look very nice, and also for very easy for maintenance. As you know now, each office building must have the lift lobby. Before, the lift lobby maybe use stone for, they need to manage the job for the water, for the concrete, for the glue. But we want to change that. We want to use our demand partition to use for lift. And if you see this out showroom, it's always metal. It's metal panel. We can save a lot installing time for you, because time is money, but money is not time. Okay, Percy, as you know, now in the Shanghai, Beijing, Singapore, Hong Kong, the land is so expensive.
Yes.
How to let the younger people to pay a lot for apartment?
I think I cannot. I can just pay little money to get a small space.
Yes, maybe some people think small apartment will be let his quality of life come to down. But halumm can tell you no. We developed a new solution for the mini apartment. If you come inside, just 14 square meter, very small, little bird. But little bird is with bathroom. Little bird with the kitchen, also dining desk, also the bedroom. So now we can tell you, low cost, small apartment also can give the very good quality life. Okay, Percy, if someone guy, his salary come high and get more money, do you have another suggestion for them for the apartment?
Of course, they will choose some big space than this bird, right?
Yes.
This is the Young's apartment, which will have much big space. It is totally in 39 square meters. This space is integrated with the functional design, like acoustic, fireproof, soundproof. And the advantage here is no pollution, eco-friendly. In this small space, we are well combined with the dining room, sitting room, with the bedroom. And the open out closet can improve the utilization of the small space. The floor here is with heating system, so when you come inside, you will feel warm. And I would like to show you what we have here is a prefab toilet. In this toilet, some people may worry about the water outlet. Please don't worry about. By this transparent window, you can see how we arrange the water outlet. So we will offer you a safe and easy maintenance space. Young people here can enjoy their life. And in the future, if you can create a very bright and very nice future. Once you get a very good job and you can get more money and you will have a future home, I think.
Yes, future home. Because now, you know, every people now it's connect for the internet, connect for you by your mobile phone. So our halumm idea also want to develop new solution for your future home. Future home meaning we want to connect any electric or your home to your smartphone. You can control that by your phone for AC or access anything. You just one phone, you can control anything. Even you can also have a control board for your plant, for your curtain, for your AC, for your for your anything the fridge and light. Now I want to give another special point for this wall. This is a gypsum board, but this is not the traditional or normal gypsum board because the gypsum board, the normal gypsum board needs the powder and also needs the covered by wallpaper. But this is the kind of wall. After you get that, you can fix with my frame directly without any handle. This is very fast and also eco-friendly material.
Thanks, Jack. I think you give an idea for my dream house. And now I think you guys has know more about halumms. Actually, our products are widely in different areas, such as hotel, as apartments, and also the commercial buildings. I know Jack did a very great job in commercial buildings in Saudi Arabia and in Middle East market.
Yes, thank you, Percy. Actually, we did a lot of projects in the Middle East and even Africa for the office building, for bank building, for government building. Actually, why we can get a lot of this building is the project from them because service. Halumm is not, we just want to tell you, halumm is not just sell the product, not just sell the demand partition to you only. We are provide the full circle service. This service is based on our BIM system, ERP system, and MP system. This intelligent system, this system can help us give the very good service and without any mistake. Okay. Also, as you know, we have the branch in the Middle East. We can our stronger team who can supply the service very fast and on time, and give a very good material quality. Because the project not only give the products, we need the site dimension, we need the super drawing, we need the surprise installation, installation support, and also the after service. This is most important. So this is us, halumm.
Yes, thanks, Jack. Very impressive. And now I would go to have a seat. And if you have any questions, we will answer for your questions. This way. This is our M4 pot. Thanks, Jack.
Thank you.
Now, you guys, do you have any question? Jack, I know you're always traveling to Saudi.
Yes. I just want to share some some question when I met with some consultant.
Yeah.
He said, how fast about it? Why every time you said your installation very fast? How to compare to the traditional way or traditional partition? I just told them, for example, we can finish the 1,000 square meter partition in the 2 weeks with 20%. You know, if you calculate that will be help you save a lot of labor cost.
Yeah, I know the labor cost in the abroad is really high.
Yes. Also, for some people, we ask them, how about our delivery time? Because you know, next future, if we have time, we want to show you our factory also how to fix our start up our production the process. Any quantity if less than 10,000 square meter, the partition we can finish them in the 1 month. If we go to the Middle East, we can deliver this raw material in the 25 days. So total, if the quantity less than 10,000 square meter, we can deliver the material at the site in the 2 months. This is our delivery time.
Yeah, thanks, Jack. And also, I know actually our partition system are very good in the commercial bank. I know you do a project for a whole street for the bank.
Yes, actually, it's luckily also because halumm we out the service. Now, do you know how many banks we did in the Addis?
Yeah.
More than the 5.
Oh, that's
also the big building. The building is more than 13 floor, 30 floor.
Big
Even
project.
now, yes, we know the one is the funny words. Halumm controlled the bank street in the Addis. I think future we can control the bank street in the Dubai also.
I will call you the king of the commercial bank.
Thank you so much.
And can you introduce more about the installation? Because maybe some people will ask have question about the installation.
Installation, because we told you that the installation. Actually, we also have team in the Middle East. Because now is the coronavirus issues. Now we just have 2 persons. Now this 2 persons is in Addis, in the Ethiopia. We also supplied the installation support. We have 2 camps because several countries in the Saudi, in the Doha, in Qatar, in the Kuwait, we also have agents there. If you need a service, installation service from our agents, we can let they contact you together directly. Then they will give the quotation. Another one, if you want to save the money, so we can send out the team, is engineer team who can give the supervisor. Then you can find the people for your installation. But my team, engineering team, can help you control the quality for the installation. Can help you save a lot of money.
That's really good for the after service, even, right?
Yes, this is because partition not like a furniture. We need a very good team for you after service. This is most important.
And maybe you need to check if you have some questions from our audience.
Yeah. So, every guy asked how we to make a measurement in the Middle East. Actually, Middle East, this market is not like it's different like other markets because they were very high requirement because we compete too many the European brands like the Classjaw, like the Mars. They are already working there 30 years, and they have they work with the consultant a very long time. So we also need to convince the consultant and give out the full test report. Also, this test report also must from Europe, not China, not other country, must be Europe or USA. Let they believe, let they feel confident about the quality of the service. Then we get that. Luckily, we now like in Saudi Aramco, the biggest oil petrol company in the worldwide, like the MODA, Ministry of the Defense Aviation, and like the Zayed Education. This under by King of UAE, Abu Dhabi. They all choose halumm brand. That is a great award for halumm because you know how is strict about his the document control, material control, derivative control. This is really is a big award for halumm.
That's really our proud.
Yes. And I'm proud of that about that.
And I know because halumm is a full circle service. We have our design team. Can you introduce our audience more about our designing and our full service?
Yeah. Our full service, I told you, we have the beam system. We have beam system. Beam system who can have each material have the ID. When you get material, if you scan the QR code, you can find all the material ID for information like building, project name, building, floor, and the color and the size. Okay, today the time is okay. So today time is very short. So I'm Jack, and I'm so happy for sure to have the time for your live stream. Future, I think we can. Tomorrow we have another show for all the M4 phone booths. Then I think you can check it out on Facebook. Then see you next time.
Yeah, thanks, Jack. This is all of our topics. And if you have other questions, please leave a message on the Facebook. And or you can send an email to us, halumm@halumm.com. And even what's more, if you have anything you want to say in our live stream, just let us know. Thanks for your watching. I'm Percy.
I'm Jack. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
And don't forget, we have another live stream about this phone booth. See you on time.
See you on time. Bye-bye.